this is like afternoon, raining in the afternoon, so we are heading to Canggu actually, starting from the morning until afternoon, and then now it's 4:29 p.m. actually still raining. So we decided to go to Tabanan. Actually, I have something to do at home, and I have to visit my grandma today, and then yeah, I have to pray also. So we are heading to Canggu and then go to Tabanan.
And we will show you around a few places. It's actually one interesting place in North Canggu, Tabanan area, somewhere there.
Yeah.
Beautiful place in the rice fields. I never been there. We wanna go there to see. And yeah, meanwhile enjoy the rain on the way.
Yeah, I'll show you.
It's already rain season.
Alright, so we already passing Canggu, West Canggu, and now we are in Tabanan area.
Yeah, we already passed the Tanah Road, and we are heading into the
it's called Kedungu area, or what is it, going to Ganga,
Waka Ganga hotel, stuff like this.
Yeah.
Anyway, very bumpy road over here. If you're familiar with the area, I just want to tell you, nothing has changed except the holes are bigger than it was before, you know. I know some people know this area, so you know, struggle.
Yeah, so Tabanan actually developing. I mean, like nowadays many Starbucks already built, and then also in the center of Tabanan they have a Pizza Hut, even McDonald's. What is it?
Yeah, that has changed in the past year actually, and yeah, that's only the sign is the Tabanan area is developing quite well now. And
yeah, I remember that one thing, my brother, if he's craving for McDonald's, he is going to Denpasar, just going to Denpasar to buy McDonald's. But nowadays, my family, my brother, whenever they craving for McDonald's, they just, you know, go to the McDonald's in Tabanan area.
And one thing, they are Balinese like Winnie, obviously, and I didn't teach them to eat McDonald's. They eat McDonald's before they know me, okay? Because I know some of you people thinking, because I like McDonald's, so I teach them. No. They really like McDonald's.
Yeah.
That's not true, as Balinese people only eat local food, street food. They also like to eat the fast
But today, before I'm heading home, I'm so craving for, you know, satay, my favorite satay.
Yes, it's very nice satay seller, satay
I hope
babi.
that they open because it's raining. Actually, this satay is not with sambal. This is for Damian. Satay babi. This is one of our favorite satay in Tabanan. So I'm so hungry actually. It's dinner time. So yeah. So this is my satay. It costs me around 15k. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Satay babi. My mouth is already watering. So yum. I always buy here whenever I go to Tabanan, my hometown. Look at the sambal. So yum. For those who ask Damian, can Damian eat local food? Yes. Here he is eating local food, but yeah. No
What?
sambal, yeah?
But after that is local. Very nice.
So yeah. They make it every day and very fresh. So yeah, as you see that, because it's raining, maybe not many people coming here, but normally always many people. And this one, look at my satay, the sambal. Like I showed you, this bapak just came with the new fresh satay. Look at the sambal. So yeah. Yes. Enak ya Pak ya? So good. So this is the sambal with the lots of chili. Oh yeah. Oh, look at you, honey.
Yes, I ordered second portion. Look how many sticks I have left.
Oh my god.
This is the, like I said, this is the best satay babi on the street in full Bali.
Yeah, but you never get Bali belly, right? You don't never get stomach ache after the.
Never.
Yeah.
But it's very nice.
Very nice. Look, we just sit here and people keep coming to buy satay, you know. And the bapak said, normally at this time, what is it? Many people coming, but because of the raining, yeah, only some people.
Ya, lah 30.
Ya, 30 kilo ya perharinya ya. Wow, so 30 kilograms every day. Normally, like, you know, before the virus is about 60 kilograms per day.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Right, so now we are in Joshua district, just few minutes from the satay seller, and this is just 10 minutes from Canggu to the west. As you see, the place is so artistic. So this place include with boutique, restaurant, and then I don't know, let's check it out upstairs because like second floor. Oh, and then skateboard park. I think that you can play a skateboard here. But
don't think
unluckily
so.
it's rain.
I don't think so, honey.
Oh, look at that. What is it, painted? So
This is how it looks, the place. Over here is the straight direct view of the rice fields, and over here may be difficult to see, but it's the Indian Ocean over there. Alright, so we're having cappuccino, as you can see, with the beautiful view of the rice field.
unluckily that we cannot watch sunset today.
Not really, will be not sunset, unfortunately.
Alright, just little bit information about this place. This place is called Joshua District. So if you see on the map, it's just around 5 or 10 minutes from Canggu.
10 minutes from China.
Yeah, around 10 minutes. So what is it actually? This is a place like a co-working place, galleries, restaurant, boutique downstairs, as you see. And also the owners have villas, 4 villas. If you see, start from the beginning over there, the white building, maybe you see that. Yes, that's the villas. And then this area is restaurant, galleries, co-working space, and over there also 2 units of villas with the view of rice paddies here. As you see the farmers now, it's planting rice season nowadays. So maybe we can come later on when it's really the paddies is already growing.
However, we are here first time, just curious about the stuff. This is actually on the halfway also to Winnie House in the similar area. This area, like we already said, Winnie said, is developing quite well nowadays. Still a lot of beautiful rice fields, but on the way here, we already saw the new villas around, and also this is like Canggu extending into the Tabanan area in the short terms, and I can hear the loud bike outside.
And then over there is a loud bike as well. So I think that the owners has many loud bikes collection down there.
I think so. You can see later on. Actually, one bike is just behind you, honey. Over there. The way over here is very huge, wide, empty road. I think I will little bit skate here, yeah? At least I will try. Maybe I'm not gonna, you know what. Do you know why the road here is so big, La?
Because I spoke to the lady over there. There is a big construction property. It's called Ciputra Beach Resort over there.
This
so like a
resort?
big property resort. Maybe we can have a look over there later on.
Okay. Fall down, yeah? What do you think, honey?
Good job.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down.
Play on my melody.
Alright, so behind me is the Mount Batu Karu over there, and then over there is the Mount Agung, and the view is here, rice paddies. And then one thing is so surprising me, like this area is gonna build like a big property resort. It's called Ciputra Beach Resort in Tabanan. And as you see that they already built very nice asphalt road. Wow, just because of this huge project. So as you see before in our video, they have a residence, and you see that also over there in many still construction, they are still building. So if you have lots of money, and then if you plan to invest like in property, maybe this one is the best area in Tabanan.
Also very nice area for living if you would like to have a villa or something. Still very remote, I have to say. Still very natural, very nice.
And then also the beach over there is very beautiful, still natural. Halo Pak. Yeay.
Today's vlog also a little bit from spontaneous.
Okay. So yeah, this is the area in Tabanan, and everything like you see still green, but yeah, developing. Gonna be many properties soon.
It's gonna be next Canggu Center in Pererenan, Canggu in next, I think maybe 10 years, something like this. Definitely, but that's how it was. Look, Canggu about 10-20 years ago. And
alright, so I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. So
I hope so you enjoyed. And tomorrow is another day, new adventure, or maybe not adventure, I'm not sure. However, new vlog like always. And
I need to go home. We need to go home, actually, both of us, because we will go praying today. So I think that's all our video. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Guys. See you, take care.